Wow, what a brutal day again for Alibaba. Another day, another loss. It was down over 1% today. Last night, it sold off in the Hong Kong market, and I made a video saying that it's going to sell off today, and it did. It gapped down. We hit another 52-week low. And if this continues to go down every day, every week, we're going to see $58 in no time. $58 was last year's low. And you can see it did get bought up, but it's still down 1%. Everyone that bought on Friday is down. And the calls, every single day, people are buying calls. The best way to play calls is to day trade it. You cannot swing calls. Because if you bought calls on Friday, you would have been down massively. It doesn't matter if it's for this week's, for next month, for next year, you're still down. And you can see that the 74 strike, 10,000 volume traded. 75 strike, 10,000 volume traded. And even the 80 strike, these are worth only 5 cents. 3 weeks ago, you can see, let's take a look. 3 weeks ago, it was around $5. That's how much value it lost since 3 weeks ago. That's a lot of money. And a lot of people thought that 80 was a very strong support. You will hear people saying this is the bottom. New buyers will come in saying this is the bottom. It's oversold, it's undervalued, it's cheap, it has a low PE. But guess what? It's not about fundamentals. That's why it's continuously going down. It's all about political risk. It was at $300 and now it's at 71. I've been covering Alibaba, and every single time it's about political risk. That's all it is. You cannot compare Chinese stocks to US tech stocks. That's why they're making 52 weeks high and the Chinese stocks are making 52 weeks low. Because they don't have political risk like Alibaba does. And let's take a look at the news here. It says, you'll see here, this came out last week. Full banking collapse. China worries pile up as hedge founder sounds alarm. Nobody wants Chinese stocks right now. Everyone's pulling out. You can see, let's take a look here. It says, whales with a lot of money to spend have taken a noticeably bearish stance on Alibaba. So it seems like people are buying puts, and even though they have a dollar dividend next week, if you buy shares before ex-dividend, which is, I believe, December 20th, you'll get $1 per share. $1 per share. I don't care about $1 per share because if this stock continues to go down, what's $1 per share going to do? I'd rather not get the dividend and have the stock go back up to 100. But we're probably going to see $50 then $80 because it's been selling off, gapping down almost every single day. You can see what an ugly chart. So ugly. And then you have other tech stocks that are making 52 weeks high. And the overall market was green. Imagine the overall market was red. Alibaba would sell off because last week when the market was red, Alibaba sold off. And just be careful if you're buying calls. I lost a lot of money trying to chase after my losses, and the losses just becomes bigger. We are so married to the stock that we're not seeing the bigger picture. While we're having our money in these losers, we're missing out on winners. Let me know if you bought more Alibaba or did you get rid of this junk last week, and thanks for watching.